Do you struggle to stay on a regular publishing schedule with your YouTube videos? Do you often get stressed because you have no videos ready to upload? In this video, you'll discover how to make more videos in less time. Stay tuned throughout the video because I'm going to show you how I schedule my video content throughout the week. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So how do you come up with new video ideas so you can stay ahead of your publishing schedule? Don't worry, just click the link in the card to watch my video on how to come up with new video ideas. I usually try to stay ahead of my regular publishing schedule, which is Monday, Thursdays, and go live on Fridays. This prevents me from getting stressed wondering what my next video should be about. It's also great to have a few videos in the can in case I get sick, go to a conference, or go on vacation. Here's how my weekly video content schedule looks like. Monday, research and scripting. I've usually gathered a list of video ideas from different sources. For example, when I get out of the office and go running in nature, go swimming or hiking. I also gather future video ideas from people in my Facebook group and from comments left from my videos. I also visit channels and blogs on my niche, as well as go to Answer the Public, where there's many questions about my niche. So on Monday, I go deeper into the research based upon the ideas that I've gathered. I'll use the YouTube search box to get a bunch of suggestions. I'll use TubeBuddy to get the keyword score for that particular keyword. I'll use the Keywords Everywhere extension to see the search volume for that keyword each month. I also get other ideas from YouTube Analytics. For example, if a video is getting a lot of subscribers or a lot of traffic, then I'll create more videos related to that same topic. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to come up with new video ideas. Tuesday, record and editing. If I have 2 or 3 scripts written, I can batch record 2 or 3 videos at once. When I record a video, I usually memorize a few sentences first, pause, look down, memorize a few more sentences, then continue speaking. I keep the camera rolling all the time so I don't have to start and stop between clips. This saves a lot of time and I can always edit out the pauses in the video editing software afterwards. If you want to know how to read a script without sounding like a robot, click the link in the card. You'll be able to connect more deeply with your audience and keep them engaged throughout your video. Wednesday, upload and optimize. After I've uploaded my video, I'll set the privacy settings to private and then optimize the title, description, and tags. I'll add my targeted keyword phrase in the title, add it in the summary in my description, and also to the tags. This is also the time that I create a custom thumbnail using the free graphic software Canva. Click the link in the card to watch my tutorial on how to use Canva to create custom thumbnails. I'll also schedule the video to be published early Thursday morning so I don't have to do it manually and I also don't have to be there at my computer. Thursday, publish and promote. After publishing the video, I'll promote the video on my social media sites, send an email notification to my subscriber list, and embed the video on my website if I have time. I'll also post it to my Facebook group, Tube Video Bootcamp, and also post it to my community tab on my YouTube channel. If it's a short video of under 5 minutes, I'll edit the auto-generated transcript from YouTube. After I've edited the transcript, I'll save it as a new transcript and delete the auto-generated one. If I have time throughout the week to promote my video before I publish my next video, I'll repurpose the content. For example, I'll post a transcript on my website with the embedded video. I'll convert my transcript to a PDF file and upload it to document sharing sites. Friday, prepare for the live stream. Going live on Fridays means I don't have to spend time editing my video. It gives me an opportunity to connect live with my subscribers and gain a lot of watch time for my channel. My preparation includes coming up with a topic, writing down a few bullet points, and creating an attractive thumbnail. I'll do a test live stream to make sure that all the technical things are working. I'll then make an announcement on my Facebook group as well as the community tab on my YouTube channel. Sometimes I'll also announce it to my email list. After the live stream is finished, I'll often optimize the video by adding some more tags, end cards, and end screen. Saturday, Sunday, recharge. This is where I usually spend time with family and friends, go for a hike, go to the beach, or go skiing in the winter. Often new video ideas come to my mind while I'm relaxing, so I just jot them down on my phone. If I have some spare time at home, I might catch up on some editing, which usually takes the longest with video creation. Here are some important things to keep in mind. Number 1, create a content calendar. This will help to keep your content organized. Number 2, write out several scripts at a time. This will help you to keep ahead of your publishing schedule. Number 3, batch record your videos. Instead of just recording one video, then writing a script, then recording another video, batch record 2 or 3 videos in one day or one afternoon. Number 4, edit throughout the week. I set aside blocks of time throughout the week to edit my videos instead of doing them all in one go. Number 5, publish on a regular schedule. If you publish your videos on YouTube on set days of the week, your viewers will know when to expect new content. Number 6, add videos to a playlist. After you've published your videos, wait a couple of days, then add them to a playlist so you get more viewing time from your viewers. Let me ask you an important question. How many videos do you create ahead of your regular publishing schedule? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. So how do you come up with new video ideas so you can stay ahead of your publishing schedule? Don't worry, just click the link in the card to watch my video on how to come up with new video ideas. If you want to generate traffic, leads and sales on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.